Hello everyone and welcome back to this midweek technical look. So we have some important movements in the market lately. We have gold prices that failed to create a new high that runs above the 3440 region. We have also a new record high from US 500, and also we have some decline from Tesla shares after its earnings yesterday. So having started with gold prices, we can see that the price is currently falling after the strong pullback from the upper boundary of this trading range, which has been holding since the beginning of April, and the strong support area is coming from 33.65, and also the price fell beneath this short-term downtrend line. So if there is a decline beneath the short-term SMAs that are holding near this long-term ascending trend line at 33.40, then the price may manage to move towards the next support area of 32.45 to 32.77. Any movements below that region, then it may take the price towards the lower boundary of this consolidation area at 31.67, ahead of the 31.20 support. As long as the price remains well above the 200 SMA and well above also above this longer term uptrend line, the outlook remains bullish. But in the short term, we can see that the price is still consolidating within this area. So on the other hand, if there is a move above the 3440, then it will confirm that we may see the price testing again the all-time high at 3500 and even higher at 3600, which is the Fibonacci extension level of this down leg here from October of the previous year until November of the same year. Now we have some weakness in the technical oscillators. The MACD is moving lower but is still above its trigger and zero lines. The stochastic posted a bearish crossover between its percentage K and percentage D lines, confirming this downward movement in the market. Now switching to US 500, we can see that we had a strong upside movement on Wednesday. The price reached a new all-time high at 63.70. Is still holding well above the 6300 region, which is confirming this bullish tendency. Also, the steep upturn line that is started after the rebound of the 4800, which was a 15-month low, is still intact. So the price may reach the 161.8% Fibonacci extension level of this down leg here from 5790 to 4800 at 6400. And if we see even higher, there is also a strong resistance around the 7000 region, which is the 161.8% Fibonacci of this downward movement from the peak back in February of this year until the 15-month low. Of course, I think traders need to be cautious for the next round numbers such as 6500 and the 6600 as well. In the negative scenario, a decline beneath the 6300 and the 6200 region, the price it may touch the 50-day SMA around the 6070 support, and even lower. The next important area to have in mind is the 5850 to 5920, which includes the 200 SMA. So any movements below this line, it may confirm that we may see a consolidation movement in the market. Now, having a look at the technical oscillators, the stochastic is turning slightly lower in the overbought region, confirming that we may see an overstretched market and a bearish correction may come. Also, the RSI is pointing down above the 70 area. So if there is a cross beneath the 70 region, then it will also endorse the negative correction. Now, having a look at Tesla, that it loses ground after its worst quarterly decline over a decade, we can see that the price also falling beneath the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level of the downward wave from 487 to 216 at 320, and is touching the 200-day SMA. also is still holding beneath this descending trend line, and we can see that it's also creating a symmetrical triangle with strong support around the 300 region. So any movements below that, then it may confirm that we may see steeper decreases until the 288 and the 33.6% Fibonacci retracement at 280. Even lower, the previous bottom at 272 is coming focus ahead of the lows back in April at 216. In the positive scenario, a rally above the previous peaks at 337, then it may take the price toward the 50% Fibo at 352 and the previous peak at 365. But if there is also a movement above the 61.8% Fibo at 383, then it may endorse the bullish outlook. The stochastic is seizing after the pullback from the overbought area. The RSI is also pointing downwards and is ready to cross beneath the 50 level, so both are mirroring the latest downward movement in the market. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching and have a great day.